Hello, I'm Rafe with Greenpointe Wood Floor Supply, and today you're viewing another one of our how-to videos slash product review videos that we do on our channel here. What we're going over today is the Fang multi-tool, and I've got it here in my hands. This is a great little tool. It was actually developed by an ex-floor guy specifically for our industry, and specifically for the install side of our industry. So we can do a little close-up review of the tool here. It's got a couple of great features. There's nothing too technically advanced about it. It's just a solid piece of steel. It's quite heavy. It can be used for tapping and prying. You can also use it for tightening up your rows, which is what this is designed for. These fangs, if you will, on the end can be pounded into the floor and then used to pry back on your rows to tighten up what you've got. In the center here, you see a staple set. A staple puller. So this hooks into your staple if it's sitting proud, and you can pry it up. And then your staple set, as I was saying, is this little gap on the side here. This slips over the top of your staple, and then you can beat it here and set it in. So overall, a very convenient little tool to have in your arsenal. Great for making sure that you have all of your install needs covered. It covers a lot of bases. It's not terribly expensive, and it can be used for just a number of different things that come up in the install game. If you liked our video, please give us a thumbs up down below and follow our channel. Thank you very much. Have a great day.